Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the Tesla share. As you can see, the current market price is 742.02, which was closed yesterday, and yesterday it has increased by 43.18, that is 6% of the value which was the day before. The last trading day shows that it went as low as 694 and as high as 745 and ended up finishing at 742.02. Guys, it is a very good share to buy, but it was in the down phase recently. Yesterday the dip was around 619, but now it is in the recovery mode. So the buying level is around 700. So I would prefer this to buy at 700. Guys, if you are a shareholder, don't buy it now. Hold on to what you have bought and you will be achieving the target soon. So let's put the target 778 in the upcoming week. That will be our first target. We will open the second target when the breakdown is there, and it will act as a resistance, and maybe there will be a breakout, so the upper target will be achieved. Guys, as you know that the stop loss is the key in the stock market, it is necessary to put stop loss forward. Guys, the Tesla market is a huge market, I would say this. And as you know, the Elon Musk, the founder of the Tesla, said that he is an engineer, not the stock investor, and that he only knows about the Tesla shares. So guys, as we were talking about the stop loss, let's put it forward to be 694, as if you are buying it at 700, so it will give you a good profit in the coming times. In the coming week, obviously it is recovering, and it is a good recovery, I would say, guys. So guys, it is a very good time to buy the Tesla share. As you can see that it is recovering and it will go up, and yeah, it will definitely go up because the Tesla had already faced the loss in the previous week, and because of that Elon Musk has again shifted to the second position, and it is doing a good recovery now. So let's hope that it goes up by a very good amount and you guys will get a good profit. So guys, if you like our video, then do like, share and subscribe the channel. We are focusing on the international market now, and the first stock, as you have seen, we discussed about the Tesla. Thank you guys, see you next time.